Today we're diving into Medzoomer, a platform that claims to streamline the process of managing and accessing medical records. But is it really as straightforward as it sounds? Let's take a closer look at what it offers and whether it's worth your time. Medzoomer positions itself as a digital solution for organizing personal medical records. It aims to provide users with a centralized platform to store, access, and manage their health data seamlessly. The interface is user-friendly, which is promising for those who may not be tech-savvy. You can upload documents, track medications, and even set reminders for appointments, which could be a game changer for busy individuals. However, what's noticeable is the lack of detailed information about how secure this data is. Given the sensitivity of medical records, potential users might want more transparency regarding their data protection measures. Additionally, while the concept is appealing, the execution feels a tad basic. For instance, I found the search functionality could be improved to help users locate specific documents faster. Overall, it's a solid idea, but there are areas that need clear explanations. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the positive side, Medzoomer offers a clean interface and the convenience of managing all your medical information in one place. This could be a lifesaver for those juggling multiple healthcare providers. However, it's not without its drawbacks. There are concerns about data security, as I mentioned earlier, and a lack of detailed FAQs or support options. Also, notice some users expressing frustration over limited integrations with other health apps, which could enhance its functionality. If you're someone who prefers a robust ecosystem, this might feel limiting. In essence, while Medzoomer has potential, it may not fully meet the needs of everyone, especially those requiring advanced features. In conclusion, Medzoomer could be a good fit for those looking for a simple way to manage their medical records, but caution is advised. If you value security and extensive features, exploring alternatives might be wise. Overall, it's worth trying if you're looking for basic organization, but just know what you're getting.